welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. It's Christmas! We are talking about cranberry sauce. Now, lots of people haven't made their own. You will impress your guests no end, and it's so easy to make. I'm going to show you in a video that takes about 3 minutes how to make cranberry sauce. It's so simple, it's literally put it all in a pan, wait 20 minutes, and it's done. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, to get started, you are going to need some port. Port is optional. If you want to do it without alcohol, you can just use the same amount of that you would use on port, which is half a cup. You could use half a cup of, say, cranberry juice or something like that. But port, we've got some orange juice, some sugar, frozen cranberries, a 400 gram bag of frozen cranberries, some nutmeg and an apple. That's about all you need. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your cup of orange juice, okay, and just put a cup into your pot. Full cup of orange juice, and it goes. Then you're going to take half a cup of port, and it goes. And then you're going to take half a cup of sugar, okay? And in your sugar goes. Now, this is making about enough to do probably about 8, so you could half it if you wanted to make a tiny amount, but it makes enough that looks nice in a little bowl, which is what you actually want on Christmas Day. Okay, now we want that sugar to dissolve, so you're just going to give it a mix around. You're going to put it on your hob, and that sugar is just going to take 2 to 3 minutes to dissolve, giving it a stir as you go. While you're waiting on your sugar to dissolve, you can just go ahead and chop up your apple, okay? So I've just sort of taken all the sides off it, I've got the core left here, and then I'm just going to give it a chop. Quite finely, really, not too finely, but tiny little sort of bits like that. Okay, so I've already done that bit, I'm just working on this last bit. You are going to use a little blitzer just at the end, like a little food processor, just to give it a little blitz down. So don't worry if it's not too finely chopped. Okay, apple done. You can now go ahead and take this off the stove. And what we want to do is you just want to add in your frozen cranberries, all 400 grams of them. You want to add in a teaspoon of nutmeg, which is going to give it that lovely Christmassy flavouring as well with the port and the nutmeg, delicious. And you want to add in your apple. So just throw your apple in there. Now I love cranberry sauce because it gives a really nice colour to your table, also to your plate. You know, it looks really lovely on it. Great if you've overcooked your turkey by mistake, it's a little bit dry. You always want as many sauces as you can, just in case. And fantastic for sandwiches the next day, just to make it absolutely delicious. Right, everything is added in here. If you can see this, we're going to get it back on the stove. I am going to leave this for about 20 minutes, okay? I want it all to bubble and boil down and all the cranberries to fall apart. I'm now just going to, just to let you see, I'm just going to pour it into a dish so you can see exactly what it looks like. You don't need to, you can just do it directly into the pan. And I'm now just going to use a little hand blender. You don't have to do this, but it sort of brings it all together. And I'm just going to give it a few little blitzes. So I want to leave a few of the cranberries whole there, but really I want to blitz it so it all comes together. I wish you could smell it. Orange juice, spice, port, cranberries. It smells so much like Christmas. It's going to look amazing on your table as well. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Do give it a go. All I'm going to do now is leave this to cool down, okay? I'm going to leave it to cool down. I'm going to pour it into like a soup bag, like a soup Ziploc bag, and once it's completely cooled, get it in my freezer. It'll come out on Christmas Eve. I'll let it defrost, then I'll simply just put it in a pan and put it back on the cooker to come to temperature till it's bubbling hot and it's good to go. If you want to and you don't have enough room on your cooker on the day, you can just put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes till it's piping hot, and again, you're good to go. Thanks for watching The Batch Lady. Take care. Bye.